Shiba Inu Coin, along with all the other cryptocurrencies, are acting very volatile this morning, as is the stock market. So we need to talk about this because there is a reason. It's not just a bunch of wavering back and forth. Inflation data was released this morning. So we're going to go over what the inflation data was, what it means, and why we might be seeing some volatility in Shiba Inu Coin along with other cryptocurrencies. But guys, once the I guess hype surrounding all of this inflation kind of settles down a little bit, people stop worrying about interest rates, inflation, and so on. Once the Fed puts us on the path that they're going to take, I believe people are going to refocus on what matters for each individual coin. And Shiba Inu Coin has been out innovating nearly every other coin out there. I get it, there's a lot of good projects, but Shiba Inu Coin is it's just insane how much they're taking on right now. And when people realize that this coin is expanding at a rate much bigger than anything else out there, they will most likely flock right back into it. So we're going to talk about all of this, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy cryptocurrencies and stocks, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 3 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And yes, you can choose Shiba Inu Coin. And then if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got Binance, Gemini, and Crypto.com in the description as well. And each one of those have their own rewards. So guys, let's talk about inflation. Let's just start off, get inflation out of the way, and then retouch on some of the things that Shiba Inu Coin has been working on and innovating over the last couple of weeks. Inflation came out at 7.5% today. Now, what does that mean? That means that if you compare the basket of goods, you have to compare the basket of goods that is in this, CPI. If you do not, then clearly you could see numbers that are much larger than 7.5%. I was looking at some numbers earlier. Used car sales, the used car prices up over 40% from the year before. And it's just, we are seeing some drastic increases in prices that aren't being reflected in the CPI. We'll just put it that way. But 7.5% means goods and services measured in January of 2022 were 7.5% more expensive than they were in January of 2021. Why is this a big deal? This is the largest number we have seen in the United States in over 40 years. Now, I get it. You might be saying, and it's okay to defend the reasons why inflation is so high. It's okay to argue against the reasons why inflation is so high, but here's the deal. Inflation is high. There's no counteracting that. Inflation is high right now, and it needs to be dealt with. Now, okay, we're not going to go there, but it does need to be dealt with. How do they deal with that? Inflation is counteracted by rising interest rates. If you can earn more by lending your money out, you will therefore be able to offset the costs of the higher inflation. That is exactly what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing, and they expect to have the first interest rate increase in March of 2022. So just in a month, they will be increasing interest rates. The thing is, and how it affects Shiba Inu Coin, we do not know. How high they're going to raise the interest rates. We do not know how many times they're going to raise the interest rate. Everything at this point is speculation when it comes to how the Federal Reserve is going to attack these increases in inflation. Now, Shiba Inu Coin this morning on the news, along with all other cryptos, fell down. Okay, you could see the spike down at 8:30 this morning, but it recovered very quickly, and it seems to be having a good day so far. What does that tell us? That tells us that yes, the overall news was bad, but it may have been a knee-jerk reaction. Why? Investors might be looking to the future and say, you know what? 7.5% inflation, it's worse than what was expected, but I believe that they're still going to be able to contain the inflation rate. They're going to be able to contain this, and Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other coins jumped back after the inflation rate release. and they're sitting at Shiba Inu Coin is sitting at 32.33. 32.33 at the moment that I'm doing this video. So it is recovering from the drop and from the decline that it saw. Now, guys, this is, I guess, the overall market conditions falling down on Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto in general. This is the overall market effect we're having. If you look specifically at Shiba Inu Coin, if you see the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is working on a metaverse, if you see the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is still gaining the attention of major exchanges across the globe, Brazil just added Shiba Inu Coin to one of their major exchanges yesterday. If you look at the fact that Shiba Inu Coin is trying stuff that no other crypto is really trying, and the fact that they are fully integrating with Wellies, that fast food restaurant out there, then, you can see that Shiba Inu Coin is going to have a very bright future. Now, I understand there's some kind of counter arguments to that, and the fact that Shiba Inu Coin might be taking on too much, too fast. And I get that, because it does take away from your core competencies, and Shiba Inu Coin specifically ran because, yes, it is a meme coin, but people fell in love with it and people believe in it. It did not need a metaverse. It did not need a fast food restaurant. It did not need anything. It simply needed the Shiba Inu army, the Shiba army out there to believe in it, to buy it, to tell their friends about it. And that is exactly why we saw millions of % gains in 2021. It wasn't because Shiba Inu Coin had crazy innovations underlying the asset. It was simply because people wanted to buy Shiba Inu Coin. And I believe they're going to continue wanting to buy Shiba Inu Coin, if for anything at this point, because of all the innovations that are underlying it. Now, if the developers are watching right now, make sure to keep the focus on Shiba Inu Coin and not necessarily as much on Bone and Leash, Shiboshis, NFTs, and dragging investors in all of these different directions. Shiba Inu Coin is the bread and butter. Shiba Inu Coin is the bread and butter, and that is what we want to see rise. Shiba Inu Coin burns. They need to increase if we ever expect to do that. So hopefully we get some focus on those coming from the development team here in the future. And I believe at this point in time, guys, I can't think of anything bad except for the fact that we may be diluting our focus slightly at this point. And Shiba Inu Coin, my goodness, does it have potential. I want to know what your guys' favorite project is that they're working on down in the comments below. Do you like the metaverse? Do you like I was going to say Oshiverse, but it's Shiberse now, the codename Shiberse. Do you like the metaverse? Do you like Wellies? Do you like new exchanges picking it up? Do you like burn projects? What is your guys' favorite project that can be worked on? Let us know down there, and if this button's still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.